first of all, I'd like to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all the love on my Halloween posts. And I know that I said it in my US haul video that my next video is going to be all about the burger palette, but I'm so sorry I didn't really have time at all throughout to film this video. But here I am today. I'm filming this all for you. And can you imagine, I resisted this palette throughout these months that I didn't even touch it at all. I waited to use it for the first time today in this video. So let's not wait any longer and let's just start. Okay, so before we start off, I'm gonna do my base off camera real quick and I'll just be right back. Okay, so I'm now done with my base and I'm gonna dig into the palette. But before that, let me introduce you a little bit to the palette. It's by GlamLite. GlamLite is a brand that produces chic kind of makeup, mostly towards food, including the burger palette, the pizza palette. They do have a whole pizza palette as well as slices of pizzas, and the taco palette. And if I'm not wrong, I think they do have lipsticks as well as the eyelashes. Why the burger palette? I was really intrigued by the color choices that this palette provides, even though it's more towards greens and reds, and these colors could be a pain to work with, I know, but I think I'm gonna have so much fun trying around the colors and exploring the looks that I could create with this one. But in case you want something cool like this, you're interested in something different like this, then you can definitely check out their website for more of neutral color tones for yourself. So yeah, I'll just introduce you to the colors that they provide in this one right now. And this palette does come with a welcome card. And yeah. Ooh. Wow, it's actually packed like a sandwich. And the box definitely looks like a pizza box, and it's pretty huge. This is what it comes in. And time for the reveal! Ooh. Can you see that? It's actually really puffy, spongy kind of material. For the big reveal. It comes with a huge mirror as well. The product is pretty weighty, it's good. And so they have some really funky shade names in this palette, including Thousand Island, blue cheese, bacon, barbecue sauce, ketchup, and lots more. And here are some swatches for you from this palette. I'm starting my eye makeup by applying this light green matte shade called Avocado all over my crease area. I then diffuse the shade with a yellow color called Mustard. I then cut the crease using a concealer. I'm now using the shade Lettuce, which is a light green shimmery shade all over my lid area that I've just applied concealer on. And then I'm using this dark green shade called Spinach at my outer corner. I then use this bright red ketchup shade at my lower lash line, and I diffused it with onion rings. I have now completed my eye look, and I'm just left with highlighter and lipstick, and then we're done with this look. Okay, so I have one red lipstick right here with me. It's by NYX Cosmetics in the shade Monte Carlo, and the other one is by Gino McRae in the shade Gingerbread. This is my favorite nude, and this is somewhat my favorite kind of reddish tone, so I'm not sure which one to use for this look. I'll just go with the nude for now. Let's see how this turns out. How's it? Do we like it? Do we not? I'm not feeling this one so much. I think I'll just add a little bit red to it. Let's see how this turns out. I'll just use my finger for it so it doesn't get super vibrant. How's it now? I kind of like it. I think I'll just add a little more blush on. I never settle for less. I'll just accessorize myself right now, and let's see how the final look turns out to be. My look is now complete and I feel like a parrot right now. But what do you think of this look or this palette? Please let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to see any other looks that I create using this palette or any other palette, or if you want to see me recreating any kind of looks, you can send your request down below in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to help you out, or even create a video to show you on how do you get or achieve any particular look that you're looking for. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be more than happy to help you out in the future videos. Thank you so much.